What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to unlink your Facebook account from your IG account, or in other words, your Instagram account. This happens a lot nowadays. Meta has introduced a specific connectivity here between your Facebook account and your Instagram account. So I'm going to show you how to unlink those two accounts so you do have everything separate. You don't want to have them linked together. I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech-related issues, and I also share cool tech tutorials as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial, you can actually perform this both from your Facebook as well as from your Instagram application. So if you are here on Facebook, for example, the process is quite easy. All you need to do is simply tap here on these three lines where you do have your profile. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to settings and privacy, and then you want to tap here on settings once. So once you tap on settings, you'll be brought to this specific page where you do have Meta Accounts Center. Tap once on Meta Account Center and you'll be able to see all the profiles which are linked to your Facebook account or logged in into this specific device. Now, please note that you can do this on an iPhone device as well as on an Android device. There's no problem. The process is exactly the same. Next up, you're going to scroll down all the way to accounts down here and then simply tap once on accounts, and then you'll be able to see all accounts linked in here. For example, I do have Instagram and I do have my Facebook account. I do have all linked together in here. So in order to remove an account, all I need to do is simply tap on remove in here, and then it's going to ask me whether I'm sure if I really want to remove this from the account center. I'm going to tap on yes, remove, and then I'm going to tap on continue, and this should remove the account here from my Facebook, so it won't be linked anymore. Now, if you want to do it on IG, the process is similar. Simply open up IG, go straight into your profile on Instagram, and next up, simply tap here on these three lines. There we go. Tap again on account center, process is similar, and then scroll down all the way to accounts, tap once on accounts, and you'll be able to see here all linked accounts. In my case, I don't have any linked account in here because I've already removed it, but all you need to do now is simply select that specific account and tap on remove to remove it from your account center, and it won't be linked anymore. This is how easy you can unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram account. In here, real quick, you can either do it from the Facebook app or the Instagram app. The process is exactly the same. Thank you so much for watching this video and making it till the end. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubt. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.